Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to disable top search results in Outlook search for privacy reasons, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. When you click on the search bar, you can see top search results, and if you wish to remove them for privacy reasons, then click on the file button, select options, go to the search tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, uncheck the box associated with show most relevant search results on top. Click on OK to save the settings. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.